Hello guys, Momoko here. This time I'm visiting a film location from Harry Potter. Let's go on a tour with me. And don't forget to follow my social media and subscribe. Now I'm in the shop of platform 9 and 3 quarters. Let's start the tour with the King's Cross station. I'm going to get excited buying some Harry Potter souvenirs here. With all these souvenirs, it's hard to decide which one to buy. It makes me want to buy this kind of t-shirt. Hey, I finally get this Slytherin scarf. I think I could be a Hogwarts student now. At the King's Cross station, there's a photo spot where you can take a picture of the scene Harry enters platform 9 and 3 quarters. It charges additional, by the way. I bought the every flavor beans at the shop. Let's go ahead and open it. What is it? This is Ratanak River. Okay, let's go. It's unbelievable that they developed this taste. The next one is green apple. This one tastes nice. I am now out of King's Cross station and in front of St. Pancras station. In the film, St. Pancras station is used as the location for King's Cross station. St. Pancras is the next station of King's Cross station. In the movie of Harry Potter, they filmed at the St. Pancras station instead of the actual King's Cross station. The scene I remember is in the Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, where Harry and Hagrid walks aisle together. Please stop by this station as it's stunning.
King's Cross Road, Pentonville Road.
I'm on the Millennium Bridge. It's a bridge that was destroyed by Death Eaters and the Half-Blood Prince. This is a Millennium Bridge. Does anyone remember in the beginning of the Half-Blood Prince, where the Death Eaters crashed the bridge when chasing Harry? The wind is strong here, so be careful when crossing. What's this? Black pepper. After crossing the bridge, let's walk to the Bala Market. It's just fun to take a walk, watching a city with cute buildings. The Bala Market was where they showed the leaky cauldron in Diagon Alley, and also the scene where the night bus passes. The market itself is pretty neat, so please stop by when sightseeing in London. I will introduce inside the market in another video. I came to Leadenhall Market to finish the day off. This market was filmed for the scenes when heading to the leaky cauldron and its exterior. The Leadenhall Market is famous for being the oldest market in London. Not just groceries, but there are also shops where you can buy clothes, goods, or cafes, and it's perfect for sightseeing in London. This is a store used to shoot as exterior for the leaky cauldron. It's now an eyewear shop. That's all for the day 1. I will come to Oxford tomorrow. Today I'm here at Oxford. I'm going to walk around and visit Oxford University, where they shooted the movie. To get to Oxford, take a train from Paddington Station in London and it will take about an hour to Oxford. It's about £25 round trip and off-peak. There are so many Harry Potter stores here too. I just can't stop shopping. I am walking through the historical town of Oxford, heading to the place I dream of. I finally made it here. I would like to go inside. The entrance fee for the Durham Cathedral is £5 for adults, $4 for children. I wish I could stay here longer, imagining the wizarding school life of Harry. But let's now head to Christchurch College. You can use Cafe Logo as a landmark, just so on the screen now. The entrance on the other side of the road is the entrance to the location of the Hogwarts Diner. Let's go! The Christchurch College is a part of Oxford University, and in the movie, it was filmed as the inside and outside of Hogwarts. I'm in front of the entrance. I see a long line. There's always such a long line here. The ticket booth closed down at 14:45, so I recommend you to visit in the morning. You can rent an audio guide when buying the tickets, so try it out. This is the stairs that Harry walked when he entered Hogwarts. Now let's enter the Great Hall, used as a diner in the movies. The Great Hall is still used by the students and professors. Therefore, it's forbidden to enter from 11:45 to 14. Now that we all enjoyed being Hogwarts students, this is the end of day 2. We are going back to London tomorrow and visit Harry Potter Studio Tour. I'm here for the Harry Potter Studio Tour. You can see the statues of the chess from the movie. I'm so excited! The official name is Warner Brothers Tour, Making of Harry Potter. And it is a walkthrough tour of the set and movie plots from Harry Potter. Now let's the tour begin. Right after tour starts, they take you to the hall displaying the grand dining room. When I visited, it was October, so it was decorated with Halloween ornaments. It displays many costumes that the actors actually wore. The tour is in English, except for the first place. You can walk by your own and look at the set actually used in the movie. At the Gryffindor dormitory. This is a bedroom of Gryffindor. And this here is the common room. Let's check out the classroom of potions. There are also a Professor Snape's outfits. This is a door of Chamber of Secrets. There's a revival of this famous scene too. It's a surprise to see Nagini this huge. You can also meet these eaters here. When walking through the Forbidden Forest, there's a crowd. It's a Aragog. If I were surrounded by Acromantras in real world, I'll be terrified. I'm at the gift shop on the way of the tour. It's a backpack. It's the other one. Finally, what I want to see the most. Is the Hogwarts Express. When I get close and watch carefully, it actually says bounded for Hogwarts Castle. I got super excited. If you line up, you can also take a look of inside of the train. I'm gonna get butterbeer. Now taking a break at the food court in the middle of the tour. The most popular here are the butterbeer and ice cream as it has its own lane. This tour's exclusive butterbeer and butterbeer ice cream. Cheers! This buttercup is exclusive just for the studio tour. They both taste good and it's good refreshment after all this walking. Actually, I just had to buy this elder wand earlier in the shop. Let me open it. Stupefied! In the courtyard, there's a display of the hall in Hogwarts and also the night bath. Now let's go to the Gringotts. I've never thought of the day that I go into the Gringotts would come. I wish I could walk here. This is the scene when the dragon in the Gringotts attacks. The dragon looks as if it were really alive. Next is the alley that every Harry Potter fan would desire to pay a visit for. As closure for the tour, a gigantic replica of the Hogwarts castle sits by us. It was a great tour with no time to be wasted. After the tour, let's shop the souvenir shop. There is even an area just for dark magic. Man, this shop is huge! I'm sure there's everything you want in the shop. Of course, there's a space for confectionery too. Smells like chocolate. After buying souvenirs, let's take a break before the bus comes on the way back. The menus in this cafe are inspired from the movies of Harry Potter. Like this, London was a great city for fans of Harry Potter. You must come. So, finito, incantadem!